Today what we're going to use to pressurize the radiator is this rental tool from the local AutoZone. Well, we just got to find the right adapter. Here's the one we're going to use for the Corolla. Looks just like the lid there. Close enough. Let's get it put on. Okay, that's on. Grab this guy. And we'll hook it there. Okay. You hold that for me. Come over here. Keep an eye on this gauge. We're gonna pump it up to around 20 and see if it holds.
Hose.
It's leaking right out of the top of this hose already, and it's only 10 psi.
What's her cap rated? Is it like at 15?
Oh, look, I see it blowing out of there too, where she said the water neck. Let me get a light on it. Over here. See this wetness right here on the tranny? Where's that coming from? It's dripping.
Right there.
I see the drip.
Is that her thermostat housing right there?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, that's gross.
Yeah, from here, that's where it looks like it's leaking, from the housing.
Yeah. Alright, just pause it.
All right.
Let's stop leaking at about 5. It's probably still leaking. It's still dripping. So let's put some more air into it real quick. Got this hose leaking. That solves that problem. One problem down. Now all the pressure is coming towards, oh, now this end of the hose is leaking. Okay, so look at this. The nub where you're supposed to stop up against is under the hose.
No bueno.
Well, I turned it the wrong way. Okay.
Yeah, that little nub's supposed to stop you. Shouldn't go past that.
Alright, let's pump it back up. What? This is a 13-pound system? Probably. So we're in between 10 and 15. And let's see, it's still leaking from that
Yeah.
hose.
Not from the hose, but from the housing. I see it.
From here, from the water
Yeah,
neck. Yeah. I'm still looking at this one over here. I think that one's tightened up.
It's holding.
Okay. Well, I did just drain all the water out of it too, so. Oh, this is holding?
Yeah, so far.
It's holding a lot better, that's for sure. Probably none of these hoses are tight, but that one's super loose. And that was just peeing out of that water neck over here. Let's get a shot of that. Well, I wonder if this camera is gonna be upside down to you guys. Got a flashlight. Looks like it's just coming from the water neck housing itself, so I think what I'm gonna do is drain everything, get all the nasty old stuff out, clean all the oil off of everything, put in a new thermostat, tighten it all back up, and then pressure test it again. You know, Dollar General notifications. So I got it all cleaned up. I'm gonna crack the case open here. We just listened to some Weezer playing Michael Jackson. That was pretty awesome. Am I allowed to promote stuff? I'm not promoting. Not that I'm promoting. What does that look like? Because look what this looks like, a broken gasket. You can see that down in there.
I don't think it's coming up on camera. Ooh.
Yeah, the gasket split right there. Look at that thing. It's falling apart. So that's why it was leaking there. Thermostat might still be in good shape, but we're just going to throw a new one in there. The preheater part there. Or the bypass. And a bypass valve.
Was this guy pointed up like it's supposed to be?
It should be pointed up.
Yeah.
We'll have to take a look. I don't know. Okay. 82 degrees. What does it say? This could be original. I don't know. But we'll find out when we play it back. Let's see what we got down in here. See if we can flip it upside down again. Okay, well, let's get the new thermostat in. So I've got it all cleaned. Man, that is gross. That's not all out of a radiator, though. It's grease from cleaning it. And Mike's going to hook up a quad with a new battery. Get that guy going, and then we'll be able to go rip it. Thanks, Mike. I'm going to flush this out. Catch what I can in the bucket before I put the new thermostat in. Alright, we got the thermostat area clean. We got the upper water neck off. I took that off and cleaned it. And I flushed everything out with some water and cleaned all the surfaces. I got all the parts. The upper radiator hose we're going to have to reuse for now. The one I ordered is going to take a couple days. But I got the new wires, new copper plugs. Copper's better for it. And then we got the Skittles because those are important. I got our new cap, new thermostat, new seal, some grease for the boots, cleaner. I might have just got that for me. I'm not even sure if she has one. I haven't looked. I thought she did, but it's plastic. And then I got the valve cover and grommet set. Seeing her lid, I got that stuff thinking it was for this sensor here on the air box. Oops. Camera's turning on you. Can't hold a camera upside down. But I got it for that. And I look inside. And it's plastic. So, I mean, I'll spray it just for fun, I guess. Let's see. That surface is cleaned. That surface is cleaned out. Threads have been wire brushed. So we'll get that back together and we'll throw the new plugs and wires in, fill it up with water, and run it. And then make sure we got no leaks before I do the valve cover. And I also got some of this radiator degreaser too, because there was oil in it. So we'll do that as well when we fill it up with water. And I threw a little, took the wire brush to these guys. This one is pretty bad, but hopefully we can still get it to seal. If not, we might have to find this from a junkyard. And I just realized what time it was, so this is going to be it for today. I've got a game plan, and we'll put in the radiator support too that whoever did the radiator forgot to put in. So tomorrow we'll be putting everything together and pressure testing again. Peace.